Let's make a pineapple daiquiri using a pineapple rum. In order to make this drink, we are going to start with our rum. 2 ounces of your pineapple rum, 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. One ounce or 30 milliliters of your fresh squeezed lime juice. And 1 ounce of your simple syrup. In my case, I'm using a demerara simple syrup. If you want to use a white or a raw cane sugar syrup instead, feel free to do that. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Add some ice. It all went in the shaker. And give it a shake. I'm going to single strain into the glass. You can double strain if you'd like. And garnish. A traditional garnish for a daiquiri would be a lime wheel. Feel free to use one if you'd like. Because this is a pineapple daiquiri, a little chunk of pineapple and a toothpick or something might be nice as well. Maybe both, depending on how fancy you want to get. For me personally, I'm not going to be using a garnish tonight. I'm just going to drink it as is. And there you have it. A pineapple daiquiri using pineapple rum. Drink with good spirits.